Hey guys, Sweetness here, and I'm back with another video. If you guys like this hairstyle, trust me, you're gonna want to stay tuned and watch how I did it. It's fast, it's easy, and girl, you're gonna enjoy it. So stay tuned, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and here you go. Let's go. So as you can see, I'm doing Y braids at the top and straight backs in the back. I tried to do something different. It didn't really work in my favor because my hair at the back is pretty short, so I was trying to do single braids in the back. It worked, but you know, it's a work in progress. It was basically to avoid having a bulk of braid in the back of the nape of my head. So, and that I found that it worked pretty good. I used the boho hippie braid by Freetress and the inch 22, and I used the color 1 because I felt like I just wanted to do something really dark, and honestly I'm very happy with the color I chose. So honey, let me try to explain this to you guys, okay? So it comes with an already made hole. What you're going to do is stick the crochet needle through that hole, open the latch, grab the end of the crochet braid, hook it onto the crochet needle, close the latch, and pull right through. And once you pull right through, tighten the loop as tight as you can, but leaving a little snug space because you don't want it too tight on your cornrows. I tried to make it look as full as possible, but you want to try to have a staggered look, just so you don't have it too full. But I do like mine's full. But if you don't like yours full, then you can do the staggered look, so you have it. Basically, you're doing a brick layer. You put one in between the other on each cornrow. What you can also do to help you see the back of your head is using another mirror. I was using a stand-up mirror and I actually was holding it between my legs, and it was pointed directly the back of my head to my vanity mirror, which was a whole lot of help. So if you can have 2 mirrors, as you can see right here, this will help you so much, just so you don't make a mistake in leaving spaces in the back of your head. Because trust me, honey, the worst thing you could do is be walking outside like you're hot and you have a big space in the back of your head. Girl, the reason why I'm talking like this, because it happened to me, honey. It happened to me. My girlfriend at work was just like, honey, you don't see that hole in the back of your head? I'm like, no. What hole? She's like, grab me a mirror. When we grab her a mirror, Miss C, oh my goodness, I was so ashamed. She told me to sit down and she filled that up for me. So I ain't making that mistake again. So yeah. Now I'm going to be grabbing all these cute little gold pieces and just, you know, bedazzle it up. And girl, I am done with my push-up mouth. So if you guys love this look, make sure you comment down below. Let me know if you're feeling it, and let me know if you're going to try it, because I will be doing this again. Thank you guys. Mwah.